Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're into video editing but don't want to break the bank on Adobe Premiere Pro, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the top 7 best free Premiere Pro alternatives for Windows in 2024. Let's get started. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these free tools offer powerful features to help you create stunning videos. So, let's jump into our first pick. Number 7, we have Shortcut. Shortcuts is an open source cross platform video editor with a straightforward interface. It supports a wide range of formats and offers advanced features like multi track timeline editing and 4K resolution support. Perfect for those who need something robust yet easy to use. In this, you can see the intuitive timeline, the wide range of effects, and the easy drag and drop functionality. It's a fantastic option for quick edits and complex projects alike. Coming in at number 3, we have coming in at number 6, we have HitFilm Express. This one is favorite among YouTubers. HitFilm Express combines professional video editing and advanced 3D compositing in one free package. Plus, it comes with over 410 effects and presets. You can see its sleek interface and how it supports complex VFX workflows, which is amazing for a free tool. Number 5 is DaVinci Resolve. While it's known for its high-end color grading capabilities, DaVinci Resolve is a powerful non-linear editor. The free version is packed with features including multicam editing, audio post-production, and even visual effects. It has professional-grade interface. It's perfect for anyone looking to step up the editing game without spending a dime. At number 4, we have Lightworks. This professional grade editor has been used in Hollywood films. The free version gives you access to a robust set of tools, including real time effects, advanced multicam editing, and more. Check out the real time effects and customizable interface. It's a solid choice for serious editors. At number 3, we have OpenShot. This open source video editor is great for beginners due to its simple, easy to navigate interface. Despite its simplicity, OpenShot offers powerful features like 3D animations, keyframes, and unlimited layers. It has intuitive layout and the range of features you can access are very much perfect for those just starting out. And our runner up is VSDC Free Video Editor. VSDC offers a non-linear editing style, meaning you can place objects anywhere on the timeline. It supports a variety of formats and offers features like color correction, visual and audio effects, and even video stabilization. It has user-friendly interface. It's incredibly versatile for a free editor. And finally, our top pick for the best free Premiere Pro alternative is Blender. While known primarily as a 3D animation suite, Blender also features a powerful video editor. It offers a full-fledged video editing solution with a range of features like live preview, Luma waveform, chroma vector scope, and even audio mixing. Blender's VSE or video sequence editor provides everything you need to put together complex projects. Plus, the 3D animation capabilities are a fantastic bonus. So, there you have it, folks. The top 7 best free Premium Pro alternatives for Windows in 2023. Whether you're just starting out or looking for advanced editing features, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on an update.